Hello guys, we are back with our next tutorial. In this tutorial, let us go through 3D APIs guys. So API is nothing but application program interface. So it is nothing but how you want to display your image. What are the parameters that you will be considering while displaying an image? So those things we will be using, will be indicated by this API guys. Okay. So the 3D API and many other APIs use the synthetic camera model which we have discussed in our previous lectures. Fine. So what is an object first? So object can be generated by a set of vertices. So basically let us assume this is an object. So how you can generate it guys? So if you have 4 points and those are connected by lines. So that is nothing but your shape, right? So with the help of vertices itself we will be creating some objects. So the best example for objects will be polygon, rectangle, triangles, line segments and many other things. Fine. Okay, so if you ask me to write a small example or a block of code, it will be in this way. So GL begin, GL underscore polygons, guys, all the code which we are using is glut guys. Okay. So GL begin, GL underscore polygon, GL vertices 3F, these are the vertices 0, 0, 0, 3D. Fine. So GL vertex 3F 0, 1.0 and 0, GL vertex 3F 0, 0, 1. So it is that it forms a triangle guys. So the triangle, if you ask me, it will be in this way. Here, here, here. So it will be in this way. Fine. So remember one thing guys, whenever you write vertices in a block like triangle, polygon or anything like that, see the joke here, I wrote a polygon and I'm drawing a triangle. Use triangles guys, that's better. Okay. So automatically the lines will be connected guys. So that is the main advantage in this guys. Okay. So we use the above format code in OpenGL to construct a shapes or objects. So it will be in this format. Okay. So we'll be discussing about these block of code also guys in our further topics, don't worry. So we are also having the concept of viewers which we'll be discussing in our further chapters guys. Okay, so viewer is nothing but we will be moving the camera guys. So if you are observing here in this way, so you'll be seeing it in this way. So let me move the camera. So now you are observing the camera in this way. Now the view, it is different, right? So like that you'll be having different views according to your view. So the most popular views are nothing but a perspective view and orthographic view guys, which we will be discussing in our further lectures. One is parallel and another one is perpendicular projections. Fine. Okay. So a camera or a view can be specified in many ways, perspective, orthographic, which says about the center of projection and projection plane, whether they meet or not. Okay. So the next type will be the light sources. Even light sources belong to a complete chapter guys. So whenever this question is asked, you just combine some points about all the topics and you just write them guys. That will be enough. So light sources are nothing but which are giving you light. So whenever you are doing 3D objecting, 3D graphics, you need to have the concept of light, right? Even in 2D also we need it. So the light sources, we'll be discussing this also in another chapter guys. There are many kinds of light sources like ambient light, diffuse light. There are many other things guys, we'll be discussing them. Okay, so even we are having material properties. So material properties are nothing but it describes the properties about the object, whether it is transparent or solid or it is translucent, like that. So these are all the topics which we will be discussing in our further lectures, in our further topics. So I hope everyone got at least a small idea on this. So in the next tutorial we will be going through pen plotter model. Thank you. Thanks for watching.